Good morning, everyone. Um, I want to say something. I really want to say something about why God is important for our success. Yes, we all know God is very important. We go to temple, right, and we pray there, and we ask for blessings. So you give me power that I will be successful in my life. But actually, it is not like this. For me, God, for me, and it is truth that God stands for generator, operator, and destroyer. So generator is Brahma, operator is Vishnu, and destroyer is the Shiva. We all know this as in Hindu religion. But one more important thing is that the better half of all these three gods means their wives are also very important for them. So we can't leave them alone because they are the power of their husbands. Yes. So Saraswati ji, Lakshmi ji, and Ma Durga, they are equally very important. If we if we have to do something, if we have to do something and we have to fulfill it, then first we have to take the help of Brahmaji. Brahmaji help us to imagine that in our mind, and Brahmaji asks Ma Saraswati that this is success, or how can I achieve this success? Um, as by effort of Vishnu ji, okay, and by the power from Durga ji, we gain some success in life. Small success, start from the small success, and after some time, the Brahmaji, the magical scale in our mind, which is made by the Brahma, forgets its origin, and we think that this is not success. Yes, this is not success. So he asked Ma Saraswati, who is the power of Vidya, Tantra Vidya, Mantra Vidya, any mathematical calculations. She know all things. So she helps Brahmaji to grab all these information resources and to use in his journey of success. Now here comes the role of Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu means sustaining energy. Means he is our Palanhar. Vishnuji gives us power. Vishnuji help us to keep our journey on. Yes, and Ma Lakshmi, she gives us money, wealth, health, and she is Annapurna also. And you have also seen this in in a pot. She gives the grain and golds. Yes, she is the Bhu. She is from Shukra planet. She is the daughter of Shukra planet, Shukracharya. Okay, so by the help of Lord Vishnu and Ma Lakshmi, we continue in our journey. We do everything. We put our effort day by day, every day. With help of them, we go on life. And with the blessings of Brahma, we we calculate which is right, which is wrong, with the help of Ma Saraswati also. And here comes the role of Ma Durga. She is the energy. Means energy is equally important if you have money, if you have talent. Okay, and you don't have energy to do this task, then you can't do it. So energy is equally important. Ma Durga blessings is also important, and we keep on moving, we keep on journey. But we lack one more thing, that is the time. Mahakal is Shiva, maybe another name Shiva. He is time. In our mind, he is our biological clock. Means we we imagine something, we start doing with the help of Brahma, Saraswati in our mind. Then we work physically with the help of Lord Vishnu and Ma Lakshmi, and with the strength of Ma Durga. And if we find something that this is not good for our journey, this is the worst thing in our path, so we need the help of Shiva. Means by the help of Shivji, we destroyed that enemy. He destroys our enemy. Yes, and we keep on moving, and we keep on fulfilling our wishes. And sometimes we find that when we are doing something good, we are in right path, and some kind of vigna, means hurdles comes in our mind, so we have to keep a push on that hurdle. Otherwise we will just forget our path, forget our goal, and we will not reach to the success. So Shiva is equally very important. So all these three are very important. All the three women power are equally very important. So as a human being, we should respect all our gods and goddess. Thank you.